Hey everybody, Jillian here, back to share with you the unboxing video for the third of 3 Revival Camp devotional kits from Illustrated Faith and DaySpring. This just landed on my doorstep, so let's go ahead and see what's inside. It comes again in this cardboard box with the pink tissue, and for some reason I didn't want to rip it, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove it from the box entirely. Alright, this is a Summer Camp Revival thank you card from Shauna, so we see that it's kit 3 of 3. We've got the key scriptures off to the right, and then on the back side is a little guide to what's in this kit. So one thing to note is the second little bullet point there refers to a micro dot washi tape, which is not included. Instead, we get this really beautiful, fun, plaid patterned washi tape. So I love the colors in this one, and it's a super fun addition to the kit. Next we get this enamel pin. I'll go ahead and get it opened up so you guys can actually see it. I'm not sure where I plan to use this, but on the little card it says you could put it on your pencil pouch or pin it to the front of your Bible or just like wear it around. It's a fun little extra that we get this month. Next up is the Revival Camp sticker. So like I've mentioned in the last couple videos, if you harvest that one from the pink tissue, you actually get 2. Then we have this canvas pouch with the last 3 badges of Revival Camp. Included is this one that says Challenge, which is, and it's such a pretty pink color. Next is Leadership, and then the last one is Praise. And look at those bright, fun colors. Now that I have all 11 patches, I am ready to get to work making something to display them on. Next up are the like die cut pieces, so just like the last 2 months you can punch them from the backing and then include them on your projects. And then another fun thing that we get this month are these acetate butterflies. They're so beautiful, and it's the same deal, you just punch them out. I was super careful when punching around the antenna so that I didn't tear them, but they're acetate, it's not paper, so I don't know that you could tear them, but these are really fun. And don't forget, when you purchase the kit from DaySpring, you also get a digital download. So these butterflies are included in the digital download along with the die cut pieces, the devotional cards, things like that. So you could theoretically print them off like 100 times if you wanted to use these beautiful butterflies on all the things. Next up are the devotional cards. So we have Elaine Davis writing Challenge for us. April is taking on Leadership, and Tamara is talking all about Praise. I was able to read through these, and they are wonderful. I'm especially excited to geek out with Tamara's devotional, and you could like get 7 entries out of that one, you guys. Next up is the stamp set. So we see the layered badge stamps again for the themes again, and I'm going to show it to you here on white paper. It may be easier to see. We get some more trees, feathers, this adorable deer, and you even get like a Revival Camp stamp with it too. The last thing included in this month's kit is the trail mix. I already opened mine, and it's back to that adorable glassine bag, and then I'm super excited about what's inside. So we see kind of like a throwback with this fabric paper clip. And I'm not sure if they will be different or the same for each kit. And then also included is this beautiful paint card that says Arise and Shine. On the back it says he who seeks beauty will find it, and I think that those are such fun additions. So Shauna encourages us with this paint card to go ahead and get our paints out and get messy for this last session of Revival Camp. So that's it. Here is a look at all of the things in the third of 3 Revival Camp devotional kit from Illustrated Faith and DaySpring, trying to make it look nice for you here. If you guys want to pick it up, I've got it linked in the video description below with an affiliate link and any applicable coupon codes that you can use to save. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment. Otherwise, I'll see you soon.